I've been using these sports headphones from Koss for the past 2 months at the gym. Here are the pros and cons based on my experience in today's 2-minute review. These are wired sports headphones. The model is called specifically the Koss KSC32i, but it's also branded as FitClips. The price is typically under $20, and there's a link in the description below. The packaging is simple. It lists the main features of the headphones and also highlights the limited lifetime warranty that they come with. The first thing that I really like about these headphones, and the main reason why I bought them, is that they are sweat resistant. I've been using them on hard workouts on the treadmill, the stair climber, as well as the elliptical, and I have had no issues with the sound quality. That sweat resistance was key, and it works really well. The second pro are these clips that keep the headphones attached to your ear. They have never fallen out, they stay there really securely. An added benefit of the clip design is that you don't have to shove them so far into your ear canal because the clips will keep them in place. That's really nice, and it is much more comfortable. The third pro is the inline microphone and remote. The microphone you can use for calls, and the remote is really just only one button, but does a lot. You can answer and hang up calls with the button, and if you're playing music, you can also use it as play pause, as well as skipping ahead to the next song by pressing it twice. If you're getting value from the video, please hit the like button. There are also a couple of cons with the Koss FitClips. And number one is the sound quality. With these tiny headphones, you're not going to get any hi-fi quality audio out of this pair. For years and years, I've been using the Koss Porta Pro headphones as my daily headphones, and there the quality is excellent. The sound from the FitClips is not comparable, but I think it also doesn't have to be. If you're just using them at the gym, superior audio quality is not the most important thing. The other con is that this pair is not particularly stylish, and that was also not a deciding factor in me purchasing them. The color scheme here, the blue and green, maybe could be more elegant, but there are actually other colors available for this pair. There is a violet version and a gray version. I will link to all of those in the description below. There you will also find up-to-date pricing and availability. After using them for 2 months, I've been very happy with the Koss FitClips. They do exactly what I wanted. They are a pair of sweat resistance sports headphones that come in at a low price. Add to this the lifetime warranty, and you really can't go wrong. I mentioned my other pair of Koss headphones. Click or tap the screen right here to watch my review, my 20-year review of the Koss Porta Pro. Check out that video now. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews, and I will see you in the next video.